Why is hand washing important? Your hands come into contact with countless surfaces throughout the day, from doorknobs and keyboards to cell phones and other people's hands. Many of these surfaces are teeming with germs and bacteria that can cause illness. When you touch your face or mouth after touching these surfaces, you can easily transfer those germs into your body. This is especially true if you eat with your hands or touch food that you're preparing. By washing your hands regularly, you can help remove these germs and reduce the risk of illness. Hand washing is especially important during cold and flu season, and during times of widespread illness outbreaks like the COVID-19 pandemic. How to wash your hands properly. While washing your hands may seem like a simple task, there are actually some key steps to follow to ensure that you're doing it effectively. Here's how to wash your hands properly. Wet your hands with clean, running water, warm or cold. Apply soap and lather your hands by rubbing them together with the soap. Be sure to lather the backs of your hands, between your fingers, and under your nails. Scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. Singing the happy birthday song twice is a good way to ensure that you're washing your hands for long enough. Rinse your hands well under clean, running water. Dry your hands using a clean towel or air dry them.